Good morning, everybody. I've awoken here at the parking lot of a Walmart in Fargo, North Dakota, and I'm taking care of some random tasks right now. Right here, I'm actually making a nice little compartment to fit right in here, and it also fits underneath the mat for coverage at night. So I'm gonna finish doing all of this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make some food. I was able to pick some of these up from Starbucks because I do a lot of work there just to utilize their Wi-Fi. Sometimes at night when they're closing down, I'll ask if they have any food that they're gonna throw away, and sometimes they have stuff to give me. So that'll be my breakfast this morning. Some nice sausage, egg and cheese sandwiches. After I'm done eating my breakfast and cleaning up, I'm going to address the reason why you're actually here, and that is, how do I do my laundry and how do I stay clean? I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bunch of dirt all over the floor, and I officially have a massive bag of laundry that I need to do. So I'm gonna show you where I keep my laundry, how I do my laundry, and we'll get into all of that after I finish my breakfast. This is what we got cooking right now. I got my 4 buns, my two eggs, and then the 2 sausage patties. Got the cheese weighing on the side. Got some apples that I've gone ahead and cut. And we'll let it all cook. We'll put it together on this plate here, and we'll enjoy. All right, well, it looks like things are ready over here. I can give you a view. Everything's been flipped, everything looks good. We'll grab our bottom buns, nice and hot. Let's go egg. Egg there. Then we'll get, looks good, sausage. Cheese. And cheese. And then our top buns. Wow, does that look delicious? Let me give you guys a view of what we're looking at here. Wow, that looks incredible. Let's take our first bite. Wow, that is so good. Thank you, Starbucks, for an amazing meal. So I've just finished my food, and I'm cleaning up now. And cleaning up my dishes is obviously a huge part of staying clean. I think I do a pretty good job of it. You know, right when the food's done cooking, I put some water in there, and hopefully that starts the cleaning process. And then when it's done, or when I'm done eating, I have one of these scrubber things that I just scrub out. So you can see that pot or that pan is looking pretty clean. And these rags over time, because I use them to dry, they'll get pretty nasty. But today is a laundry day, so I just go ahead and throw these in with the laundry, and I got clean rags. Next, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I am able to maintain a clean surface, both in the aisle of my living space and on the truck bed. And you can also see that in these gaps here, there's a lot of sand and dirt that builds up. And same with inside on the ground. So that's why I have this broom or broom and dustpan. And that really helps to keep everything clean. Normally, typically, I sweep probably once a day, maybe even after every single meal. But I've actually let it go maybe 1 or 2 days, and you can really see how much it builds up, like I've already shown you. So I'm gonna go ahead and sweep everything out, and I'll give you guys a look when it's done. It gets pretty nasty in the back. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you exactly what that looks like back there. Look at that. Right in the gaps and the cracks, and even right there. It's all pretty nasty. Before I just go ahead and sweep it out, I just want to show you all of that is what was buried inside. It's pretty nasty when you think about it, but you know, doing it frequently and often, it really keeps the area pretty clean. All right, now once the inside has been swept out, I like to go back and get these little cracks and crevices here. So I'll do my best to get all the dirt out of those areas, and then we'll be done. I also want to show you guys another thing that I clean fairly often, and that's the floor mats here, and even this little location here to step up in the car. It just fills up with sand and dirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that, and I'll show you exactly what I do with the mats. Now, of course, it's not perfect, but you can tell that looks much, much better. So we'll hit every single one and we'll be done with those. All right, everybody, so right now I'm at Casey's in North Dakota. Never heard of Casey's as a gas station. And I'm pumping some gas right now. So once that's done, I'm gonna head over to Planet Fitness, which is right over there. I'm gonna clean up, get a nice workout, and shower in. Might cut some of this hair off. And then we'll grab the laundry. I'll show you where I keep it, and then I'll show you where I do my laundry. I've just arrived back at the car after a nice little workout and shower at Planet Fitness here behind me, and it's time to go do some laundry. I've had these mats right here drying out, but I think I'll probably go ahead and wash them as well. Let's grab them and head to the laundromat. Now, when it's laundry day and it comes time to do my laundry, and of course I'm on the road traveling, basically what I do, and as you'll see on the screen here, I just go to Google Maps or Apple Maps or whatever, and I just look for the closest laundromat. Now, I just got out of Planet Fitness like you saw, and I ended up coming to the wrong laundromat, or one that wasn't open. So I found another one, and I believe it's called Fargo's Finest Laundromat. So we're gonna head there, and hopefully they'll be open and we'll be able to do my laundry. All right, everybody, well, I've arrived at the laundromat. Here we are, Fargo Coin Laundry, and I want to go ahead and show you guys where I keep my laundry. So this is my back door, right behind the driver's seat. I have my mat to cover everything. There's my guitar, and right under there is where I keep my laundry. So it's a good spot for it.
Look at the bike right there.
The loads are in, and I have about 30 minutes per load, and they're both going at the same time, so they'll both be done in about 30 minutes, and I'll move them over to the dryer. But the beauty of this time is that there's not really much else I can do, so I'm gonna go ahead, whip out the guitar, and try and learn the general. It looks like the 30 minutes is up. Let's go grab our laundry and move it over to the dryer. Got one more. Because I keep all of my clothing inside of bins, it makes the laundry process much easier than it was before when I had those two shelves right there. Of course, I still keep my underwear and socks in that far drawer, but considering I do have these storage units, these containers, it makes that process much easier. So, wrong side. Let me go to the other side and grab those bins, and I'll show you exactly how easy it is. All right, so here are my bins. Here are my shorts. Here are my shirts. And so this is pretty much exactly how it works. I'll just go ahead and get these bins ready for my clothes and go inside and grab my shirts and shorts and just basically grab each stack one at a time, and it makes the entire process much easier. This right here are my shirts on bottom, shorts on top, and I'll come back for the rest of it. All right, so here's what I had inside. I'll just pop this top off, and the shorts go in, and just like that, not much folding, they kind of just sit in there. And then the same thing with the shirts. Put the shirts on top there. So that definitely makes the, and look, you can see how easy it is. I'm doing it one-handed right now. So you can really see how easy the process is. And there you have it. That is basically everything that I did for my laundry today. And wow, my heart's beating a little bit faster than it should be. But there you have it. Drawers are loaded up, laundry's clean. And yeah, it's time to hit the road. I'm actually about to get on the road heading west, and got a lot to see. So thank you guys for watching. I hope I was able to give you a little bit of insight into how exactly I'm able to do my laundry while I'm on the road. And that's going to wrap it up for this one. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you on the next one.